Hey Bearcats, this video will show you how to use some of the technology in SHSU classrooms. Document cameras sit on a surface and point down at a document that students can see while faculty displays, works on, or annotates the document. Also, many document cameras are connected directly to a computer, which allows those learning in a remote environment to see the same thing as those in the classroom see. To use the Wolfvision dock camera in a classroom, power on the document camera, push the dock cam button on the control panel, and then place the document on the document camera. This will display the document on the projector screen. To use the document camera with Zoom, power on the document camera, log into the computer, open and log into Zoom. Open the vSolution software from the computer desktop. If a message regarding firmware displays, select No. In the vSolution link by Wolfvision dialog box, double-click on the dock cam in the list. If a message regarding frame rate displays, select OK. The software will launch. If the screen is not already maximized, you can select the Maximize icon next to the X in the upper right corner. If the Zoom meeting has not been started yet, start the Zoom meeting. In the Zoom meeting options, select Share. In the sharing options, select VZ-9 PLUC V1.25C. Select Share. The dock cam will now be shared. Once you no longer need the dock cam, stop sharing the screen in Zoom, then select the X in the vSolution software to close the software. Note, on the control panel, be sure PC is selected if sharing with Zoom. If you change it to dock cam, there will be no audio from those viewing in Zoom. Thanks for watching, Bearcats. Check out our other videos in the Classroom Technology series for assistance with other classroom technology. As always, if you need additional help, contact our IT at SAM service desk at 936-294-1950. Thanks and have a great day.